In this video, I'm gonna share to you how I got my first 1,000 subscribers, and also I'm giving away some free stuff. So stay tuned. Hi, Herberflores here from IamHerberflores.com, helping you how to start and how to have a profitable home-based business. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to notify on my next video. And also, don't forget to check all the links below on the description. So, let's jump into it. I already have my 1,000 subscribers. YouTube emailed me last May 7 and they congratulate me for having my first 1,000 subscribers. I achieved this because of my consistency. Actually, I started this YouTube channel way back 5 years ago. Okay, so my goal is to share some of my business opportunity and also to promote my products because I'm involved in network marketing and also in affiliate marketing. So my niche is all about online marketing and also helping people on how to start their online business. That's why I created this channel. And right now, I'm also giving away a free video intro and outro for those people who subscribe and comment below on this video. Okay, just subscribe and hit the bell button and also comment, yes, I want video intro. Okay, and also I'm giving away some free video marketing tips. Okay, because I'm also own a video marketing agency, okay, the GoVideoMaker.com. I own that website, and right now I'm focused on e-commerce and digital marketing and also on creating videos on this channel. Okay, so nagpapasalamat din ako sa aking mga kababayan na walang sawang sumusuporta po sa akin sa mga content ko. Okay, dahil sa inyo, lalo na yung mga nagtiwala na mga taong sumali under my team sa aking mga network marketing business. So I'm so thankful sa aking family. Siyempre, unang-una sa Panginoon Diyos for giving me the skills, okay, na may share ko sa inyo yung mga knowledge at yung mga magandang produkto na makakatulong sa mga tao. Okay, so I'm so thankful to all my loyal subscribers, to my loyal customers who bought some of my affiliate offers. Okay, so my goal this year is to achieve my 4,000 watch hours to monetize my YouTube channel. Okay, so dahil right now nasa more than 300 plus pa lang yung aking watch hour time. Dahil hindi rin ako naging consistent nung una. So way back 2018, so medyo nag-stop ako sa paggawa ng mga videos. Dahil nga pabago-bago yung policy ni YouTube. Actually, I have more than 1,000 subscriber. Some of my subscriber was being deleted by YouTube dahil sa mga spam. Okay, so kaya I recommend na doon sa mga bagong YouTubers, kung gumagamit kayo ng mga sub-to-sub strategy para magkaroon ng mga subscriber, make sure that those people will watch first your video at least 30 seconds to 1 minute or they watch your video, they need to complete your video. Okay, then they can subscribe, they can like, and they can comment because the algorithm of YouTube is more on engagement. Okay, and also what are the tips that I can share is you need first to know what are your audience. Okay, kung ano ba yung mga gusto ng mga audience mo para at least palagi silang manood ng mga videos mo. There are only two types of videos that people watch right now. They are looking for solution for their problems, like wherein you are educating people. Example, you are promoting weight loss product. So you can share some tips on how to lose weight fast. Okay? Halos lahat tayo nasa ating mga bahay, diba? So kain tayo ng kain. So naghanap tayo ng solution kung paano ba tayo pumayat. So mga iba naman is naghanap sila ng pagkakakitaan habang nasa bahay. So I recommend na we can create some strategy na maaari tayong kumita habang nasa bahay. Like e-commerce or some tutorial about affiliate marketing, sa paggawa ng blog, or so we can also develop our skills on marketing, right? Or creating videos and to become a freelancer. Okay, so that's some of the tips that I can share to you. And right now, yun yung mga ginagawa ko sa panahon ng lockdown or quarantine. Okay, para at least maging productive tayo. Actually, nakapag-take ako ng online course about social media marketing. And yun, so nakapag-graduate na ako. So right now, I will share to you my YouTube channel analytics just to show you the stats. Kung ilan yung views, kung ilan yung mga subscriber na na-achieve ko in these few months ago. Okay? So, let's jump into my laptop and I'll share to you. Okay, so we are here now on my YouTube channel. So you can go to youtube.com/IamHerbertFlores. So on my YouTube channel, as you can see, okay, I have my YouTube timeline cover, and also I have my default video. Okay, my home page video. So now let's go to my YouTube studio. So on this YouTube studio, so you can see your YouTube dashboard, your YouTube channel dashboard. On this dashboard, you can check your channel analytics, your latest video performance, your rankings, and some other features of this YouTube. And also the YouTube watch hour times, and your recent subscribers, and also some tips from YouTube creators. Then you can check your monetization by clicking the monetization features at the left side. So right now I have 1,000 subscribers and 352 public watch. To become a YouTube partner, so you need to achieve at least 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour time. So right now I need to comply that. Okay, so I need to create good content that are searchable and also tutorials so that people can visit my YouTube channel and they watch it. Okay, then now let's go to analytics. So on this analytics, you can check all your views and on your channels. Okay, so the watch hour within a day, and the date. Okay, the statistics on every videos that you uploaded. So I have some videos that I receive a lot of views. So let's go to settings. So it is important to optimize your YouTube channel. Okay, you can click on settings. Then you need to complete your basic info, your name, and also the keywords that you want to use. And also you can click on the advanced settings and also the branding. So you can upload a small image so that the people will subscribe on your YouTube channel. And also the upload default. So you can also put some default description like your social media accounts, your website, so that on every time you uploaded, you don't need to add those description. That's only the basic one. Okay, then just click save. Then also you need to optimize your about page on your YouTube channel. So by clicking the about, when people will visit your YouTube channel, they will see what this channel all about. Okay, so to edit this about page, you need to click this customize channel. By clicking this customize channel, you can edit your description. You can also add your website and your email address, okay, your country, or your social media accounts URL. So you can add those websites. So I hope you learned something with this video. If you have some question or comment, or maybe you have also some strategy or tips on how to get more subscribers and watch views, you can comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.